I need you, bud.
Here he goes. Oh my god! He jumped the Dune Buggy, dude.
You boys like Mexico? Yeah!
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It is the morning after Cleus and Cars. That was awesome. Go check out the video for that, because I'm assuming we're probably gonna make this a separate video. We drove and drove and drove, and we finally came out to this place. And number one, it's free. Number two, it's public. And number three, there were no signs that said no Dune Buggies allowed. So, This is the first time we're gonna be taking Carl, the Dune Buggy, on the beach. So, first video of its kind. We're really pumped. It's really rainy out here. Every single time we come down to a beach, it's always raining for some reason. We just have bad luck in that department.
But we're gonna send it and be careful and hopefully not break anything, because I'm driving first and then Joe is driving second.
Let's go rip it.
I want to see if they come this way to see if it's deep or not.
I don't know.
Now here's my question. How deep is this?
Let's find out.
Go, hold on. Okay.
That got really deep though.
Yeah, that did.
It's not that bad because we're almost out.
Since I'm already wet, let me hop out and check those battery connections.
I think we're all soaked.
Yeah, we're all soaked, dude.
I just accept it. My ass is already wet.
I was literally about to pull up Snapchat and that happened.
Oh, dude, there's like a rock. Holy shit. Hey,
Hold on.
hey,
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Well, we didn't think it'd be that deep, and it's deep.
Hey,
Hey, watch out.
it's not that deep. Round two.
Oh, give me a second. Woo-wee! That got deep. All right, is it starting?
Nah, he's gonna mess with the connections real quick.
All right.
Ready?
You got this, buddy.
No.
We were trying to cross this water, and we didn't think it'd be this deep. It's how it always goes. When in doubt, check the water. We didn't do that, and we hit a big hole. Right now, we're really close to the edge of the shore, but the engine cut out. Luckily, the air filter is above the water, so it's not hydro-locked, but we're trying to get started right now. We should have done this with a winch. We don't have a winch. That's okay. This is Novice Garage.
It's not that deep. Round two.
Yep.
Watch out. Trying to get to the not so deep part.
Okay, be careful, like right here, dude, there's a drop.
Oh yeah,
Right,
we can move it.
1, 2, 3.
There you go. There you go. Wish I had a tripod so I could help you guys.
I need you, bud.
He fell. What is he doing?
And look, Zach's been here.
Oh yeah, we have been here before. There's ratchet straps. That's funny. There's a bumper, ratchet straps, license plates. We're not the first one.
Wait, where do you see a license plate?
There's one right here. There's not it's a license plate holder. It's over
Yeah,
here.
you put the camera on top of your helmet. Hey, watch out this drop.
There we go. We got steer. We got steer. Huh? The wheel. Yeah, we got steer.
Rock it back a little bit, get some momentum going.
Okay. I'm gonna push right here. Almost. It's almost. It's getting real clean though. Goodness. Pull. There you go. We got it. Hell yeah, I got it. God dang. All right, Joe, what's the plan?
We're gonna try and get up over this berm right here and have them try and roll start it. Hopefully these things have enough grip for it to actually grab traction. And
Hey, is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good.
You guys got it! Woo!
I'm trying to push, Joe.
First.
try it.
Go. Give it go. Oh my gosh. Guys, we lost an air filter. No. Oh man, that's not good. That guy just flew right off. That thing is nuts. We both scared Zach. This thing takes jumps so well. Like, it doesn't hurt at all.
I know.
I didn't know we were going
Did we get air on that one?
Oh yeah.
I didn't know we were going that extreme. I really wish I brought my helmet.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. Thank y'all so much for watching. This video was a blast to film. We got so wet. We literally got back to the truck and Zach and I brought a change of clothes. I don't have any more socks, so I'm driving barefoot right now. So I feel country as hell.
I'm cold and I'm snuggling up with my blanket.
Anyways, guys, it's time to head home. Joe, for some reason, I don't know why, he didn't bring a change of clothes, so we gotta go to Walmart now. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Drop a comment what you thought. We need to come back with that other spike tire.
Yes.
Peace. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Yeah, yeah.
I know we gotta get it. I know we gotta get it. No, we gotta get it somehow. I know we gotta get it.
I'm gonna go scare all those birds.
Look at that in slow motion.